What a session of worship. Who is like our God in all the earth, beneath the earth, above the earth, in centuries and ages. Who is like him in north, south, east and west? Who is like our God in generations? Who is like him? Who is like unto him? Among the gods, who is like him? In all spheres of life, who is like him? Who can describe him? He is indescribable. No one to be compared to him. Who can define his identity? It's indefinable. There's no one like our God. None like him. Even before time began, who is like him? He was not enthroned by anyone, neither will he be enthroned by another. He's seated on his throne forever. He is forever in his throne. No one completes his office with him, because no one is worthy to ascend his throne. No one is worthy to ascend his throne. Nobody. The only true God. Through him, life comes. Without him, there is no life. His glory is what we are breathing as air. The name of the Lord be highly exalted. Who is like unto him? Nobody. In all the earth and beneath the earth, in heaven, in planets, none is like unto our God. He does not have equal, no rival, none to compete with him, because none is equal to him. Father, be that exalted in Jesus' name. What a session of worship. What a session of worship. So like